What's up, YouTube? It's Angry Hogs, and we're back again with another super official video for you guys today. Take a baby, I know you can. Hey, listen, man.
Today is the egg roulette challenge. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be upsetting, but there's 12 eggs because obviously we got a dozen.
Yeah, so basically, if you guys want to come over here and take a look at it, there is, if I can open this, there is, oh man, there's 12 eggs in here. Four of them are boiled.
No, 4 of them are raw.
The
other 8
are not boiled. Or boiled.
So we're gonna close that up.
So the object is to take an egg and crack it on your head. The loser, whoever gets the most eggs cracked on their head, has to do something.
We haven't figured it out yet.
A surprise in the end of the video, alright? So without further ado, guys,
let's get it started.
Let's get it popped.
We're back, guys, and we're gonna be starting. Let's see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, I beat you. So that means I go first or I go last?
It's up to you. You can choose. You choose if you want to go first or you want to go second. It's your choice.
I'll go first.
Go first.
This one right here.
You gotta hit it harder than that, bro. Oh.
It's a fucking hard boiled, dumbass. What do you want me to bust your head? All right, so this one is obviously. that one's good.
All right,
that's hard boiled.
Oh shit.
Yeah, boy, you suck at this game.
I felt it too right when I picked it up.
All right, so now we're gonna keep rolling. We're just gonna keep on going through the flow.
We're gonna keep rolling.
I'm gonna go with this one right here. That's a hard boil, baby. That is.
Is this hard boiled though? I'll have to find out.
I swear to God.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me!
You honestly suck so bad.
You gotta be kidding me, man.
I'm gonna go with this one right here. That's a hard boil again, baby. Let's get it. I'm beasting and feasting after this game.
That hurts. That was real.
That's a hard boil again, buddy. This game is so easy, man.
I just lost. This isn't. This is
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here. You should.
Is that all of them?
No, there's one. Hey, man. Oh my God, they're so bad. All not the rest of them are, what's it called?
Alright, guys.
Might as well get that yolk in the hair. Use it
We
as
have
some
2
gel.
left.
They're
obviously hard boiled, obviously, so we all know that. So let me see if I can get it on my head real quick. Watch this.
Oh shoot.
Alright, so yeah, we'll be right back.
Ladies
What's
and
up,
gentlemen,
guys?
we
We're
are
back. I
Griff
lost, obviously.
We had 3-1, and this is gonna be the final egg that Griff is going to put into his mouth. He's gonna eat it raw with the shell and everything, straight up.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this one right here.
Alright, well, that was not part of the plan, but so I'm gonna crack it, and he's gonna get on his knee, and be put in his mouth like he's used to. So here we go. Get on your knee, buddy.
You gotta be joking me
Right now. Head back. You know what you're doing.
I'm gonna throw up, alright?
Come on, man. Put your head back. I'm gonna
Can
put it on
you
your
aim
face.
it in my mouth?
Yes, I'm gonna get on your face. I swear to God. Just put your head back, dog. Like
I swear
that.
to God, if you miss
Griff,
my
if you
mouth.
put it, if I put it on your forehead, you can punch me in the nuts. Put your head back. I'm gonna crack it. Once I crack it, it's gonna come out.
Oh my God. You're freaking disgusting, man. That's freaking disgusting, man.
You have eggs all over your damn street.
Hey, they're out front the street.
Alright, guys. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed that visit. If you did, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe for more from Angry Hogs. Follow us on Twitter at
Hogs Angry, capital H, capital A, baby.
In this video, we're gonna be shooting for 9 likes.
9 likes, man. That's all
I
we
mean,
want.
we've always outdone our amount of likes we've asked for. We want to thank you guys for that. yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we'll see you next week.
Peace.
What's up, guys? It's Angry Hogs. You can see us right now. We're boiling the eggs. This is an exclusive exclusive behind the scenes right now. We got our film lady right there. She's, not helping us at all. But
I'm giving you video ideas.
yeah, so
we
this
should
is
meet every Wednesday and talk about our next.
so
video.
this is how we brainstorm ideas. We're just doing the video right now, and then she's throwing out completely useless ideas.
Good idea.
She gave us the Coke challenge, which none of you guys liked.
Yeah, she did give us the soda.
That was not me.
That was you, Cassidy. That was you.
So we hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes, and we'll see you in the video.